Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, you can access elements from a list using indexing. Indexing in Python starts from 0, so the first element of a list is at index 0, the second element is at index 1, and so on. If you want to access elements from the end of the list, you can use negative indexing, where -1 represents the last element, -2 represents the second to last element, and so forth. Here's a tutorial with code examples on how to access elements from a list in Python. In this example, we have a list called my_list containing 5 elements. We then use positive indexing to access the first, second, and third elements and negative indexing to access the last and second to last elements. Finally, we print the values of these elements. Remember that if you try to access an index that is out of range for the list, Python will raise an index error. It's always a good practice to check the length of the list before attempting to access specific indices, especially when dealing with user input or dynamically generated lists. Feel free to modify the code and experiment with different lists to better understand how list indexing works in Python. ChatGPT